I guess here we have a project for metal detecting. Got this old shovel. The handle is broken out of it. Here's some work. Hey, be quiet. Here's some work to get this thing out. I finally got up, but I like the angle. The way this thing is. So it was rounded. I'm gonna make it sharp like that, and I'm gonna put an aluminum handle on it, and put some holes into this, and probably create some kind of a top, and see what this is gonna bring me. And it's a project. Let me know if you like it. Alright, so here we got our second part. As you can see, I choose to cut this metal grid, make it to fit here. I had to actually notch it in here, and notch it here so I can actually overlap it. And I got it like a semi-circle here, but I might just enlarge that in, or maybe just go more straight up this way. So that's pretty much what it looks like in here. So just gotta do a little bit more modifying. Gotta go a little more lower, make sure this thing fits in there nice. Of course, drill holes on that. Got this aluminum pipe, very light. Lucky me, it's almost perfect in here. Perfect height, at least for me. So I don't want it too much, so it would be too heavy. And yeah, kind of pumped about it. So we'll see once I get this going. Then I'm either gonna rivet it or weld it to it. Maybe weld it. And I'm planning like around this edge right here, I'm gonna do like a wire, and I'm gonna weld that too. I don't have to deal with nothing on the top. It's got perfect angle. Can't ask for better than this. So, and it's not heavy, and I'm sure by the time I put all those holes in there, it'll be even lighter. So I'm happy. Alright, so there you go. We got the almost final product. I'm really happy with this thing. What I did, I marked it on the back, a Sharpie, just kind of like where the holes are gonna go. Gonna leave these like that, just kind of, you know, not having holes there. Leave this one with no holes, and I'm sure that's gonna make it much lighter. Got the handle on. I'm gonna do some kind of a finish in here, maybe wood or plastic, something that will be light, but just so that way it doesn't have that hole on there. But overall, it's nice and solid. Needs a little bit more grinding and stuff and finish touching. I'm gonna clean it up and give it a nice, I don't know, probably I'll paint it green or black, I'm not sure, we'll see. And there you go, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna have to test it up one of these days. So yeah, this is it. Well, I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to sub and say you like. So actually put a hole through this bottom of the shovel. I just couldn't do it. I tried all these Jura bits here, bigger, smaller, even smaller. It got bent completely. Trying one of these guys, snapped off. This guy went dull. So I heard that you can sharpen some of this masonry a bit, and then this will do the job. I'm using a variable speed Craftsman. I can control the speed so stay on a low RPM. And then I already have a pre-drill here, and we'll see what happens. I guess I need some oil a little bit. Okay, so we got some oil. That's my paintbrush here. Got it in there. Okay. Oh great, this thing flipped over. Isn't that nice? Wow, unbelievable. I would have definitely not believed that. Let's go ahead. I had plenty of oil, but I spilled it. So I figured I'm not gonna over push it. Okay guys, so first time sharpening this thing, and I'll point out in a little bit what I used to sharpen it, and I actually did the hole. I cannot believe it. Believe it or not, all this right here, all these drill bits, I tried a whole bunch of them from right here. Didn't matter if it was new, used, tough or non-tough, just wasn't doing it. So what I did, I used a wet saw. It's a small wet saw with a diamond blade, and that worked out to use this. So okay, the reason why I needed these holes here, as you can see, I'm gonna put a whole bunch of them in here. I made this for my metal detecting. Got the nice screen on top of this, you know, a nice aluminum handle. Let me just back up that screen there. I think it should be fine. So yeah. So yeah, like I said, after I tried all that, nothing worked. And that's the first time I even tried welding it to just burn through that. I put my welder to the max. I just all did it, just welded on. I didn't put a hole in it. So wow, really impressive.